What is up, YouTubers? So, I am an idiot. Don't do what I do. You can hurt yourself, burn yourself, kill yourself, and harm the people around you. This video is for educational purposes only. Don't replicate this video. I've got many burns in my life and cut myself many times. I'm an idiot. Don't be like me. On with the video. What is up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? So, the other day I scored a box of these. So, that's what the specifics are on these. They're lithium batteries. They're about the size of a C battery. And I got a whole box of them. So one of these boxes has 3 in it. And then I got a whole box of these, which probably had 20 of these boxes in it. And so I've already cut open a few of these to see how much lithium's in them. Let me rephrase that. I've cut open a few of these and got the lithium out. I haven't checked how much weight I get out of them or anything like that. But one thing I've noticed so far is that the casing that these are in is a very hard steel. And so what I'm going to do is take a grinder and grind up and around the whole thing and cut these shells in half, because the top, this part's hollow only to right there, and then the bottom's hollow again only to about right there, but there's a cap on both sides. Yeah, and so I'm gonna cut these open and let's see how much lithium comes out of just one of these puppies. Okay, so that one weighs 61 grams. About 61 grams. And about 60.5 grams. Okay, so got the top and the bottom off. Got a cut all the way around it. Okay, got her open, and I'm going to pull this out. Alright, I got her open. So now this black stuff is the manganese dioxide. And then the silver, like right here, which there's a copper line down the middle, that's your lithium. Here you can see the lithium. I'm trying to do this fast. Alright, 1.3 grams. And there's the copper strip out of it. And so here I've got my lithium container, which has my mineral spirits in it. So make sure that gets covered with mineral spirits. And so now what I'm going to do is this copper strip has lithium on the back of it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so spill. And here's the copper. I'm putting that in there, and you can see it's still real good and reactive. And so that way the lithium off that copper will go into this water and it'll make lithium hydroxide. And now one thing I found out is that lithium hydroxide will dissolve copper. Not very quickly, but it will. So make sure not to leave your remnants in there once they're cleaned off. Shiny copper now. But yeah, that's how much lithium you get out of one of these batteries. If you guys would like to see how I even got these, because I got all these for free, mind you, and so if you would like to learn how to get them for free, comment on this video. And then once I get enough comments, stupid phone, yeah, so anyways, what I was saying was, once I get enough comments on the video, I will tell you guys how you can get these type of batteries for free. This year I've probably got nearly 200. Before I got this box, or these boxes, I probably had nearly 200 AA's, a handful of 9 volts, a couple D's of all lithium batteries, all full charge, given to me for free. And I mean, they weren't really given to me. I obtained them lawfully, mind you. They were not stolen. I do not do theft. I don't put up with it. I don't want people around me stealing, and so that is not how I obtain anything you'd see in my videos. But yeah, so what I'm getting at is, if you'd like to learn how to get your own lithium for free, comment, and then once I get enough comments, and I will say how I did it, so, and I'll teach you guys how to do it so you guys can all do it also. It's a way to get free lithium, and it helps the world, believe it or not. So, yeah, anyways, guys, till the next one.